Well, this is an interesting side of All Is Calm because we're here with our natural tree. We have 2 trees in All Is Calm. And so in the virtual showroom, make sure that you see the main one, which has all of our proteas, and they're iced and they have a little bit of ice and glazing on them. And then we have our natural botanicals is just on the other side of me. But what we want to see now is this shelf topper that's right behind me because it features some of our laser cut ornaments that are performing well. And it's because of all the dimension and all of the detail. I mean, this is just a little lightweight wooden laser cut ornament. Very pretty. And we have this one where they're skating. Isn't that nice? And you've got a little bit of a scene behind them. These are doing well. Now here's another little lightweight ornament that's just kind of snuck in here and you may not have noticed it. And these are paper ornaments. Look at that. They're gonna come to you folded up. They're flat. They've got a little bit of glitter, not all the way across it, just a little bit on the edge. They are a shape. They're easy to work with, lightweight. They come in that nice cream color and a nice tan. So if you're looking for some unusual ornaments in All Is Calm that are not botanicals, these are the ornaments for you.